Let's talk about mitochondrial donation, a special type of IVF that allows women with mitochondrial disease to have healthy babies without the disease. As we know, in mitochondrial disease, the mitochondria don't work because of faulty genes. Sometimes the case is that the faulty genes are being passed on by the mother alone. In these cases, mitochondrial donation is a reproductive option to allow women to have healthy babies with all of the parents' genetic information. Let's talk about what that means. Most of our DNA, the stuff that decides how we look, who we are, comes from our mum and our dad's genes. And it's stored in the centre of our cells, the cells which are found all over our body, in something called the nucleus. But some DNA is also found in the mitochondria. And that DNA doesn't control who we are. It only serves to create healthy mitochondria that work properly. And in some types of mitochondrial disease, that mitochondrial DNA is faulty. Mitochondrial donation is a way to replace the faulty mitochondrial DNA while keeping the important DNA so that the child is still genetically related to the parents. We're just swapping out the broken batteries for working ones. How does it work? We collect a mother's affected egg and a donor's egg. The mother's affected egg has the faulty mitochondria and the donor has healthy mitochondria. Both eggs are then fertilised in the lab to create embryos. Then the genetic material, the DNA from the donor, will be removed, leaving only the healthy mitochondria. Then the genetic material from the mother's embryo, which contains the DNA of both the mother and the father, will be removed and inserted into the donor embryo. This embryo will then be implanted into the mother, and the embryo will have the healthy DNA from the mum and the dad, but the healthy mitochondria from the donor. This gives families a chance to have a healthy child without passing on mitochondrial disease.